Yes, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, Faith Family TV. Yes, I also have another YouTube channel called Faith Edu TV. I do my hair there, lifestyle. I also put my food videos there also. Yeah, but this family YouTube channel is just all about families where we go for shopping, where for the children to play, and yeah. Yes, sit down and watch. Please not forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below. Thank you all. I don't first do this recipe for Fit Edu TV YouTube channel, but this one they go to my Faith Family TV. Yes, see, one of my mommy for this place. We just got to talk today, which is call me. Yeah, I know say everybody getting you way with the cook your food. Yes. For me, I will put all the other things like this. I'll come put curry, just use water to take rub the tilapia fish. Because that means I don't need to put curry anymore. I don't need to put water. Then I'll just need to put my oil. Then these things like this, so I'll just blend them together. Then I'll come use oil, take mix instead of water. Then I'll come use that take rubber. Maybe daybreak or maybe in 1 hour, but for me I'm going to keep it for 1 hour because today is Friday. Then maybe today it's almost about 9 o'clock now. Then I will leave it maybe when it is 10 or 11. Then I put them in the oven when I'm there doing my last Friday all night. Then before I go through, the thing could already done. Yes, and so make I carry my people along. This one, so my native language, they call am onye. Now we they speak Obodo Igbo, but I know the name, make una put am for that comment section. So now my crayfish, so now my maggi cube, all these small ones. So if una know the name, they use them for pepper soup. And this one are the nut milk. We say they grind, they buy them for shop, but they don't grind that. Now the maize seed be this. This one I'm going to break am. There's something inside. This one also, who know the English name, you can see put them for under the comment. So this English now borrow we borrow, not be our mother tongue. For my language, they call like Bosa. And they use them for my pepper soup. They use them for many things. And she said this thing, say if I use that rub and blend them together, they bring the scent come out. And I just put that into practice. So I carry my people along. This one I say nut milk. You know, say they get different type of nut milk. This one just get them different one for house. So I see another type. Now about 4 type now they use. So see, this one the one we call it Usa. This one the nut milk, but different type. And you see, then I'll go blend them together. Let me blend it. Then I will come back. Yes, so my lovely people, I don't come back again. You know, see all those things just now. I come carry my blender. I blend them. Yeah, she says I already blend them like this. So yes, then I can put olive oil. Just put this 2 tablespoons like this. I just put that inside, so you can see all the spices you also now. This one, so I don't blend that. You can see this side, and then I go use the take rub this tilapia. Then I go use those wrapping paper to wrap am down maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, so that the thing go stored inside. Then before put am for oven, you see I go enter inside. See when it is done, eh? So my lovely people, this is the outcome of it. Yes, yes, yes. I never decorated when I'll take the other thing to take it and just say, okay, may I quick show you guys. The other way we say, I see here for one of my sister here. I say, okay, oh, may I say try now. My old way is still different before. Not too bad, a little different, just a little different, yeah. This will not be your way with they cook your food, not me go still cook my own, but nonetheless, a little different. It's also good. You can also try this out. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comment down below. Bye.